let's talk about maintenance. New brakes may become loose over time. If you notice it takes a long time to come to a complete stop, this may be the problem. To quickly tighten your brake cable, adjust the hand brake tension knob. Give it a test. If you need more, adjust your rear brake tension knob. This adjustment should have noticeable effects. Now you should be good to stop when you ride. Swagger 5 Elite is crafted with premium quality materials. It's built to last, but regular maintenance will go a long way for keeping your Swagger in optimum condition. Routinely check front tire air pressure and inflate when needed. This will keep your Swagger 5 going at top speed and longer distance. Routinely inspect your tire and keep inflated to proper PSI. Your Swagger will thank you. After riding for many miles, some nuts and bolts may come loose. If your stem latch is loose, here is a simple fix. Grab a 5mm Allen key, unlock the latch, open it up. Using a rotation of 1/4 to 1/2, try tightening the outer bolt to proper tension. If you tighten too much, the latch will not close. Another tip would be to keep the stem closed and adjust the bolt until the latch has proper resistance when closing. If your stem consistently becomes loose, our last tip would be to make sure the inside barrel bolt is tightened. Time to move on to stopping power. Our brakes are similar to many mountain bikes and can oftentimes become misaligned. Here are a few tips to adjust. With a 5mm Allen key, locate the inner caliper bolt and tighten or loosen. With a 5mm Allen key, loosen the cradle, positioning the caliper. Loosen just enough to get a little wiggle, not too much. Next, use one hand to hold the brake lever and tighten while holding the brake. This will move the cradle to a proper alignment position. Make sure you properly tighten, as this is your braking power. Visually inspect, give it a couple of tests, and you should be good to stop. With any questions, please go to SWAGTRON.com and push live chat for our expedited services.